Up for sale, 1970 Chevelle SS 396. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 70 Chevelle, finished in factory correct, Adobe beige, dark gold vinyl top, and medium gold interior. 2 build sheets, 396, very nicely optioned. And as always, go around it, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. Also, of course, we will start here in the front as always. Now, Andrew making a bold claim here. Super Sport 396. Yes, I have a build sheet. I have 2 build sheets. Fantastic. It was sold new in the state of Missouri. It's finished in factory colors. It's all original sheet metal, and I just like to take the time. The paint is gorgeous all the way down. The door edges, stuff like that. Finish in here. I mean, this is just from a solid standpoint, wow, you should see the underneath. All original, no patches, no rust, no rot, no repairs. But anyway, we'll start here in the front. Bumper as always, which is nice condition, I would say. You can see on top a little bit of this kind of stuff here, stuff like that. But the back bumper is like brand new, so this could be an original bumper. But the paint is beautiful. There's maybe a handful of marks on it, if that. And of course, if I do, see anything, I point them out as always. That hood fitment is nice. You see that? It's the original hood. I'll tell you why. But again, moving this way on it. Open the hood. $396, 350 horsepower. It's a CE warranty replacement engine, so pretty much as close to number matching as you could get. It's the next best choice. Totally stock looking exhaust manifolds, intake, valve cover, stuff like that. Factory air conditioning, factory power front disc brakes, power steering, as well as the F41 suspension, so it's got the boxed rear control arms and the sway bar in the back. But again, just look at the finish here in this engine compartment. Look at the detail. The black is all nice here. It's got the proper stickers. Nice hoses, those are clean. Firewall, unmolested. Wiring looks tidy. And you can see the quality on the paint by just not shooting over things as you go. Finish in there, the tag, ow, just hit my head. The tag with the correct colors, Adobe beige, it was factory ordered. Gold interior, gold vinyl top, which again, I'm just happy alone that they didn't just take it and paint it some color you always see. Finally, something that's honest the way, it was ordered the way it's meant to be. Big fan of that. If anything jumps out at me while I'm here, it's the original hood. I was told something about these that show it's original. Another gentleman made a comment that it's an early production car because of the hood that it has. Just interesting things you pick up. This is my first 70 Chevelle, and it happens to also be a super sport car. But yeah, AC blows cold. That's what you want. Proper wheels with the tires that you always like to see on them. Now here's one of the very few marks. A little touch-up right there. Again, going up, look at the nice fitment here. And as you go down, the body is super straight. It's exactly how you want it to be. The fitment of the original panels is how you want it to be as well. Door to the rocker down there. And that finish there that I always point out, but I'll get a little closer to that in just a second here. See the VIN there, gold dash. Windshield is nice. Factory ordered tinted glass, and also the vinyl top is just super nice. I mean, the color's deep. There's no bubbles. Nothing here, nothing there. And even the package tray is unmolested. I mean, just checking off the boxes of things that I love to look for. Just meant to be things. door fitment is right all the way down to the corner. And this nice line, that finish is beautiful. And once again, quality of the paint all the way down, you know, the way it should be, not skimped out. You know, when you put it on the lift, nothing's waving back at you. I might as well do this side here, then I'll open up. No bubbles. There's not a bubble on the car. And there's no stone chips down there either. Anyway, it is a bench seat car, how it was ordered, and I love to see it still in the car. This door hem, just like I said, with this tag in there, that's super cool. You see new weather stripping. Door panel's fantastic. I had to put the floor mats in here. The carpet, the tan, I can't get it dirty. So just please, for the love of God, leave the floor mats in there. And the bench seat is superb. I mean, when you look at it, there's no wear, because this stuff, you know, will wear over time. There's no wear on it. There's no, the fabric's not starting to split, nothing. But anyway, I'd like to take the time and slowly get this out. Oh my gosh. Well, there's a couple pieces of it, just so you don't lose it. This little smaller piece, and this of the second build sheet. But most importantly, I got this one, which is a pretty good one. Maybe it was in one of the door panels just by how it looks, because it doesn't have that crushed seat material. But anyway, where to begin? Neil Rogers Chevelle in Richmond, Missouri. Built in Kansas, which we know from the VIN. Tint glass, window moldings, vinyl top, air conditioning, special performance CF41. Ordered with a 3:3:1 ratio axle, power brakes, power disc brakes, 396 4-barrel V8, turbo 400, of course, power steering, glove box light, AC conversion, SS396 package, and then those little codes that, if you'd like to pause the video and read, you can. And then just in this folder is just a bunch of old paperwork, new paperwork, receipts, stuff like that. Just a lot of stuff. An old appraisal, little receipts, copy of a title when it was in Kansas, because it had spent some time in Kansas. Receipts. Previous owner since 2009. That's 14 years. Little letter there, stuff like that. Just cool stuff. That receipt was from 06, just more and more and more. But love to have all this. Look at the finish there on the door. The whole door jamb as well. I mean, that metal is just mint. Right steering wheel in here with the column shift. Nice unmolested dash. The gold dash looks great again. Glove box with the AC vents, stuff like that. And then just added a couple gauges down there because it's pretty simple with just the gas and the speedometer, and then just lights. So quality assurance. I'm even an advocate for just saying tear those out and just leave it be. But those are good to know. I mean, in today's age, you should know your readings throughout driving it. Working dome light, and the headliner is just super nice. Ow. Bless you. Visors are nice. The pillars, pieces are nice. Oh, I gotta refocus my camera, hold on. There we go. Anyway, back bumper, like I said, pretty much like new. I love this rubber molding. I do like the taillights now that I see it in person. I never really knew if I liked it. It's got nice exhaust on it, very quiet, very tame, like a stock sound. Again, Goes along with the car. Trunk lid lines up nice. Both sides. Go ahead and pop it. Trunk mat, spare, tire iron, you see, or not tire iron, jack. I mean, I literally just pulled the mat out of the box this morning, so it's brand new. And I was able to take a picture of the trunk pan before I put it in. Of course, original, solid, all in that correct spatter paint, that blue aqua, black aqua. But just nice. I mean, when you feel in here, you know these are the original quarters, which again is just super positive. You see the new weather stripping in there, the right finish in there as well. And again, just the way the trunk lid is painted underneath, that's how you want to see it, with the jack instructions still there. Once again, nothing here. No bubbles. Beautiful finish down there once again. Fitment. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you'd like to check it out and let us know. 70 Chevelle Super Sport. 396, 350 horsepower, CE warranty replacement engine, turbo 400 trans, 12 bolt, 331 unless they changed it. Feels like a 331. It kind of feels like that when you're driving it. Power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC, and you see how nice that closes? That was a no effort shut. That was just F41 suspension. And I mean, as you've seen me going around it, I'm not really pointing anything out. And again, the quality of the paint. But yeah, thank you for watching, and we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Okay.
Why is the box in the street?
What box?
It blew off the back.
What box?
They were delivering a Fox body to him. Beat up.
So how's it drive, boss? So how's it drive?
Wonderful.
Wonderful, you said?
Yeah, guys like brand new. Like silk with power.